Okay, I'm very excited to report I've got the telemetry working. I got the xbee kit put together. It comes if you buy the full set. The two radios come pre-bound, so I didn't have to fool with that. I did, if you can see here, I did solder on the header onto the board. I soldered the also prepping for the pitot tubes. There's the cable. Notice the four connector portion attaches to the oil pan. The wider 6 connector attaches to the radio. The empty pin is on this side here. So what I had to solder, and I'll put some photos up of this later, I had to solder this header on, and I had to solder these headers on. I'll post some photos and get some opinions. I'm not really sure how well I've done, although it seems to work. One potential problem is that I think some solder might have gotten into the header, because I can't, because I was using the radio, the xbee, to keep the headers lined up, and I'm not sure. It seems like some solder may have gone into the header and actually soldered the xbee onto the card. I don't think that will really matter if it's soldered. I guess it'll be a good connection, and I'm not intending to take these apart, but I'm going to try to find out from somebody if that's really the case, and what a better procedure for soldering the header. So here's the radio in the plane. You can see there's the data light going. Same thing here. Got that attached, and also this one did the same thing. I think I soldered one side you can pull loose, and the other side doesn't pull loose. But again, I'm not really planning on taking these apart, so I'm not going to sweat it unless I find out that there might be some problem. You can see there's the data lights. Here's the antenna, just screwed in here. Goes to the USB. The USB very nicely on the Mac. I'm running VMware. It attached right to the Windows. This is Windows 7, so the driver plugged right in. You can see here there's all the motion. Looks really good. If we jump over to the configuration screen and look at the setup on radio input, if we grab radio, sticks all look good. If we go to modes, look good as well. So I think it's pretty much ready for radio. I'll take it out to the field and give it a try, but I'm gonna try setting up waypoints and stuff. So, but I think the xbee setup and installation went pretty uneventfully. It was pretty stressful for me because this is the first time. I'm your classic software engineer with a soldering iron, the menace to everybody, and this is the first time that I really soldered, anything besides wires and connectors and stuff. I did practice. You can see there's the boards, practice boards, practice boards. So I did a lot of practicing, which really helped. If you're just beginning, get some of these, buy some headers. I think this whole thing was like $6 or $7 for the whole mess, and I just soldered the heck out of those. And of course, you get a bunch of extra headers. So that's it. That is so far the success story of the xbee.